Have you ever wondered what life would feel like if you left behind the chaos of the city and moved into a tiny home surrounded by nature? Imagine this. It's early morning. You wake up to the soft glow of sunlight filtering through a wooden window. You step outside, and instead of traffic noise, you hear birds singing and the rustling of trees. The air feels fresher, cleaner, and for the first time in years, life feels simple. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because today we're exploring the world of tiny houses and off-grid living, a lifestyle that might just change the way you see the future of living. This isn't just a dream. This is the reality of living in a tiny, off-grid house, a lifestyle that's quietly becoming a revolution in the USA. At first glance, a tiny house may look too small to be practical, but step inside and you'll be surprised. Every inch of space is designed with purpose. A cozy living area, a smartly fitted kitchen, a loft-style bedroom, and often even a small bathroom, all inside less than 300 square feet. The roof is usually equipped with solar panels, providing clean, renewable energy. Rainwater collection systems ensure a sustainable water supply. And the monthly expenses? Just a fraction of what people pay for traditional homes. In the USA, thousands of people are now embracing this lifestyle, not only because it's cheaper, but because it gives something far more valuable: freedom. Freedom from debt, freedom from stress, and freedom to live life on their own terms. Of course, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, it's affordable, eco-friendly, and reduces stress. Living tiny makes people feel closer to nature and far more independent. On the other hand, space is limited. It's not ideal for large families or for people who require extra comfort and luxury. But here's the truth. For many, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. Living tiny doesn't just mean living in a small space. It means living a big life with fewer worries. It's about quality, not quantity. It's about experiences, not possessions. So here's the question. Could you imagine yourself living in a tiny house like this? Waking up each day debt-free, stress-free, and surrounded by peace? Imagine cooking breakfast in a compact but modern kitchen, enjoying coffee on a small wooden deck with forest views, and ending your day under the stars, far from the noise of the city. Tiny houses are more than just homes. They are a choice, a movement, a lifestyle. And for many Americans, they represent the future. A future that is affordable, sustainable, and deeply connected to nature. If this vision inspires you, don't just stop here. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming stories. And share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose a tiny house or stick with the traditional way of living? Your answer might surprise you.